Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am noticing a bit of a problem and I want to get it addressed so we don't have any issues going forward and so that everybody can get all of the work that has been assigned turned in and turned in a timely fashion so I can get it graded and returned to you. Okay? Over here in your to-do list, you will notice it has what you're supposed to do, but it doesn't have everything. Because you notice for March 5, it says do the attendance. Well, we've passed March 5. Can't do that attendance anymore. And I'll show you why here in just a minute. So if you go to grades, and I have mine set up so I see what you see in Canvas right now. I'm in student view. You'll notice in grades you have the name of the assignment, the due date, the status, the score, and the out of. You will notice if you scroll through your grades, the only time you will ever see a missing is if it's next to an attendance. And that is because at the end of the day at 11:59 p.m., those attendances lock and they cannot be reopened, okay? That does not mean you get a 0 for the attendance. That does not mean I automatically count you as absent. If you were there, you were there. If you were not there and you didn't do it, then you're absent. If you were there and you didn't do it, and I saw you, you were actually in class or you were on Zoom, whatever. If I see you, I'm going to mark you present, okay? Now, the actual assignments that you get grades for, those are like the Texas Urbanization or the Texas Railroad Urbanization game, Frontier Story, and you'll notice there's 2 of them. They have the same due date. Only do one of them. But all of those are what you actually get your grades for. And you'll notice that the out of actually has a number. That's the total points available for the assignment. If you have submitted the assignment, you're going to have something here under status, either what looks like a sheet of paper or the letter T. After I have graded it, you're going to have a score here. Okay? You're going to actually have a number. If you have nothing here, that means you did not submit the assignment. If you have something here, but you have a blank here, that is one of 2 things. Either A, I have not graded it yet, or B, it did not come through on my side. And the way you're going to check that is to go into Student Self-Serve. If you go into Student Self-Serve and it has the letter M for the grade, that means I don't have it. Doesn't mean you didn't do it, just means that when you went to hit submit, it did not come across. Just go in, submit it again, not a big deal. I'm not taking points off or anything like that. If you have a number here and a letter on Student Self-Serve that says M, that means when I was putting things over and putting them in the gradebook, I missed it. Send me a screenshot. I will happily change it. I have no problem with that because that is my mistake, okay? If you have something here and you have something here, you should have something in Canvas. If you have something here and a blank here, and in Canvas it says NYG, that just means I haven't graded it yet. That doesn't mean that I don't have it. It just means I haven't gotten around to doing the grading of that assignment yet, okay? Please go back. Look where it says score in Canvas, okay? If you do not have a number next to the assignment and you see that it's been submitted, do me a favor, go back and submit it again, okay? If you do not have anything here, that means I do not have it and you have not hit submit yet. Go back into the assignment, and what you're going to do is you're going to click back over here on the assignment and you're going to go in and hit submit, okay? Please make sure you get this done. Your grades are dropping as a result of not doing this. And I really hate to have to give you failing grades if you've done the work, because 9 times out of 10 you've done the work but you haven't hit submit. Please, please, please go back and submit the assignments for me so I can grade them and give you the grades that you deserve, okay? Thank you. Have a great day, guys.